You can see it going up. It's designed so that the weakest person can turn this handle and lift the heaviest bike. You can go up. Look at that. Look how fast it's coming down. Now you can see me bringing up the Tamo bike. Odd shape bar here. The clamp still has enough super grip strength to carry and hold the bike up. Hello, my friends. I hope you're having an outstanding, fabulous day. I am, because I woke up. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you for being my subscribers. And if you're not, boom, smash that subscribe. Boom, smash that like, share my video, tell your friends, and spread the word on this one. Spread the word on this one. Boom. I'm doing great because CRAVOT sent me their brand new item, MastJack height adjustable repair stand. Gonna make it so much easier for me to assemble bikes. Thank you all, and thank you CRAVOT for sending me your new product. It is outstanding. Brand new from CRAVOT. I love that company. They have the best racks for the cost. The racks are safe, secure, stable, bulletproof. I've tested a bunch of them. If you watched any of my videos, you've seen me jump and bounce, 300 plus pounds bouncing on them. And I have thousands of miles on my CRAVOT racks. Outstanding. I expect nothing less than outstanding from this. Yes, I've already been using it. This is gonna make my life easier. If you assemble bikes or if you work on bikes and you don't wanna wrestle with weak stands, weakling stands, crappy stands, or no stand, you're gonna enjoy this video. And if you're interested in this product after it's all over, click on the link in the description, use my code. I will have something there to save you some money. Comes in 2 boxes. It took me 15 minutes to assemble and put this together. Instructions were outstanding. How to use it, outstanding. And I got the jack and the base, came in 2 boxes. Together, they weigh about 107 pounds, but this is about 40% less than other comparable stands in the industry. It is made with corrosion resistant aluminum, and you can use it indoor or outdoor. What does it come with? I'm going to show you in a second. It comes with all those items and a hand crank. And if you didn't buy the platform, it comes with, I call them concrete bolts. So you can bolt this jack part, the upright part, right into your concrete floor. Whether it's a garage floor or outside patio, whatever the case may be, it must be concrete though to make sure that it's safe and secure. This extends from 30 inches up to 77 inches. I had it up to about 55, 56 inches, which was plenty high enough. And it'll hold up to 165 pounds, which is a lot of weight. What did it come with? I had to install this part here, goes right into here, comes 4 bolts, easy to assemble. You get your nice tray. There's that bulletproof platform, jumbo big. And you're gonna get your crank handle. Which goes here so that you can manually raise or lower. Clamping mechanism. This is where you attach the bike frame, or you can use a seat post stem and you just turn the handle and the jaws get tighter, vice versa. This handle here, this is all pre-installed into this assembly part. Look, you turn. You can have any kind of angle. That is nice. That makes it so much easier to install. And of course, you can go back the other way. Because of the gearing system in here, you don't even have to be strong to be able to lift this up. It's easy. But if you don't have the ability to do this, or you don't want to do this, this is the other great thing about this rack. Take your drill. attach it to the rack. And then you can go up. Or you can go down. Yeah, one-handed. Now when you're not using the handle, they have a little handle holder right here. Put the handle right there to keep it out of the way. Our first demonstration, a mock wheel bike. You can see the seat post is angled. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna turn the back handle to angle our mouth here. We're gonna call it the mouth, the clamp, the mouth. We make sure the clamp's open wide enough. Put the bike in. Adjust the angle a little bit more. Then tighten. Make sure you have it tight. Now we're gonna lift it. We're gonna take our handle from the rest. We're gonna attach it. And then it tells you what way to turn on the back. You can see it going up. It's designed so that the weakest person can turn this handle and lift the heaviest bike. It's gears inside there. All my engineer friends are thinking right now how stupid I am for not being able to explain it, but there's a ton of gears inside here that allow leverage, little effort on my end to lift heavy weight. And now you see the bike going up in the air. Look at that. How easy is it? I can sing. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, CRAVOT, CRAVOT.com, for sending me this jack. It's gonna make my assembly so much easier. Yes, it is. Boom, look at that. That's how easy it is to get up there. So now you can work on stuff, or you want to raise it higher, it'll go up higher. But I envision this helping me to put on front wheels. Secure. And can you use flat bar? Of course, you can use any different kind. I'm gonna show you a different kind of bike. This, because this turns in any different angle, you can easily attach all different kind of bikes. You don't want to crank, you can't crank. For whatever reason, you don't want to crank. So you have your drill. You are going to have a good drill. This is a Cobalt. It's going to have, it needs to be at least a 3/8 chock. It cannot be an impact drill. But boom, look at that. So it'll go even higher, but that's high enough. You get the point. It can lift it. We're gonna put another bike on there. But now you wanna take it down and you don't wanna manually do it, switch your drill. Look at that. Look how fast it's coming down. Boom, baby. Now I'm going to show you a different style bike, a scrambler bike that has this flat part here. So this is what the jaws, the mouth has to grab onto, this flat part here, unorthodox style that you might have to work on that you can use. Now this bike here has 2 batteries in it. This is probably like about 110 pounds. All right, different style frame. It's flat. Adjust your jaws so that your mouth is parallel. You can clamp it like a jaw. I lowered the MastJack down so that now all I have to do, that's it. It's in the jaws. Now all I have to do is tighten. So I moved this handle up instead of down. It was down before. I rotated it around. Now all I have to do is clamp. And make sure your clamp is tight. So now that I know I have a good tight jaw, I'm gonna raise the kickstand up just because. Now we're gonna raise it up. But again, because of all the magical gears inside there, you can see it coming off the ground. They make actually tools that you can lock your handlebar straight like this. And most of the time when I'm lifting up this kind of bike, it's so I can lift up the front just like this to install front tire. Now you can see me bringing up the Tamo bike. Odd shape bar here. The clamp only has a grip on about a third of the frame, but it still has enough super grip strength to carry and hold the bike up. So there you go. And that was all manually. I did that manually. Didn't even use the drill to lower. And if you use a drill, it'll be much, much, much faster. If I was gonna do a whole bunch of bikes in one day, I definitely would have a fully charged drill. That only took a couple minutes. I did work up a sweat because it's summertime and my garage is hot. Boom. That easy. That's it, my friend. Hopefully I can make this short enough that you all watch it, because this CRAVOT MastJack height adjustable repair stand, banging. If you don't want to wrestle with bikes, if you work on your bikes a lot, if you assemble a lot of bikes, consider getting this. Super strong, super stable. I don't have any bikes in that 150, 160 pound range to demonstrate, but I demonstrated a 60 or so pound bike and like a 110 pound bike. So I hope you all got the idea that this is a beasta mista that can help make your life easier. All right, thank you for being my friends. Thank you for being my subscribers. And CRAVOT, thank you very much for sending me this. I love it. I'm gonna use it all the time when I assemble bikes. If you have not, boom, smash that, subscribe. Boom, smash that, like, share my video, tell your friends. And until next time, I love you all. See ya!